Hey y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and I'm making pecan pie brownies today. Now these are chocolate brownies topped with a pecan pie filling, and they are all sorts of delicious, you guys. And they're pretty dang easy too. I start off with a box of brownie mix. Now you can go ahead and make your own brownies if you want to, but if you're making your own brownies or buying a mix, you need enough for a 9x13 pan. Don't buy the brownie mix that's for the 8x8 or the 9x9 pan because it won't work. You need enough for a 9x13 pan. So I'm going to pour my brownie mix, and then I'm going to make them according to the back of the box. So this one says 3 tablespoons of water, got that, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. So I'm just going to mix that together. So I've got that all mixed up. I'm going to grab my 9x13 pan that I've already sprayed with some non-stick baking spray, and I am just going to pour my brownie mix in here. So my brownie mix says to bake this at 350 for 24 to 26 minutes. Well, what I'm gonna do is still put it on 350, but I'm gonna cook it for half the time that the box says. So whatever brownie mix you get, I've got the Betty Crocker milk chocolate mix. Cook it for half the time that it says to cook it for, and then take it out, and then it's time for the pecan pie mixture. So I'm gonna go throw this in my oven. All right, now we're gonna make the pecan pie topping. So I'm gonna take a cup of sugar and put it in my skillets or my sauce pot over medium-low heat. A 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1½ cups of white corn syrup, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm gonna start stirring that up while it all melts together. Now once everything is melted down, get you a whisk and 4 eggs. And I'm gonna put them in here one by one because you don't want them to cook and scramble, and whisking as I do so. And I'll add each egg after I have mixed the one previously in thoroughly. It's a lot of leaves. Let me switch hands. This will be easier this way, I think. So another egg. Another egg. And I've got this on medium heat. And I'm going to add my last egg and stir on in there. And I'm going to cook this on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or until it thickens up, and I'm gonna come back and stir it occasionally. All right, now my mixture has thickened up and it's gotten this gorgeous brown color to it. So I'm gonna add 2 cups of pecans, or chopped pecans, to this mixture and stir it in. And actually, I think I'm gonna switch to a spoon and not the whisk now. And I'm going to continue to cook this on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so my pecan pie brownie topping has finished cooking. It's all thick and gorgeous. So you can see the crust is pretty cooked, and there's still a pool of fudgy, not cooked brownie in the middle. That's the way it's supposed to be, so that's all right. I could just let that cool and eat it with a spoon, just to let you know, but I am gonna put it on top of my brownies instead and pour that on top of my brownies. And spread that pecan pie mixture on top of these brownies. Look at that, you guys. Yum. So I'm gonna throw this back in the oven, 350, and I'm gonna cook it for an additional 25 to 30 minutes. Can y'all see how chocolatey that is, and the pecan pie on top? Y'all, about to try me a bite. You see the gooey chocolate from the brownie and then the pecan pie up there. I eat these on its own, but you could take it a step further with some vanilla ice cream melted on top. Talk about something decadent. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, because y'all, I sure am enjoying this brownie. If y'all make it, which I hope that you do, tag me on Instagram, Mrs. Happy Homemaker, or post it to my Facebook wall. I would love to see it. I'm gonna go eat me some more brownie.